this is Tristy Lowe with the J. Michael Manley team of Keller Williams, Greenville Upstate. We're at 120 Malibu Road in Liberty. Come walk with me as we check out this new listing. The living room has a vaulted ceiling and beautiful hardwood floors, as well as a gas fireplace, so with the flick of a switch, you can enjoy your cozy fireplace. Come on around, we have our beautiful kitchen with bar seating, and you'll appreciate the beautiful appliances that the seller has added, stainless steel appliances. As well as an eat-in kitchen with a gorgeous view of the backyard. It's nice and shaded with lots of privacy. The left wing features an office and the master. The right wing of the home features a full bathroom, a beautiful second bedroom, it's huge, and a third bedroom that's a really nice size as well. Another really cool feature about this house is the central vac. It has 2 ports, and with those 2 ports, you can vacuum the entire house. As you walk inside, to your left, you'll find the laundry room, which I love because it's right off the garage, so you have your own drop zone.